This is the Aristocraft Class 66 locomotive in Gauge 1. It's been fitted with a Planet T5 receiver, a Viper 10 speed controller and an M-Tronics Digisound diesel sound engine sound with horn. We've mounted the on-off switch on the fuel tank and we're just going to turn it on now. The transmitter has the regulator on the right and the engine start control and the horn control on the left. We are now going to start the engine by turning the engine on. It's an air start engine. When the pressure's right, away she goes. To sound the horn, we move the joystick on the left to the left. And we're ready for off. When you move forward, the lights come on and the engine revs go up. Out into the tunnel. And this is the engine shutting down sequence. It doesn't get much better than that.